In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use conditional color formatting in Airtable interface dashboards. Before we style anything, we need the right place to apply those colors. So we'll start by creating a dashboard in the interface designer, which is where conditional colors really shine. By the end, you'll have a clean dashboard scaffold ready for color logic that makes trends and priorities pop at a glance. Begin by opening Airtable in your browser and signing in. From your workspace, open the base where your data lives. Think of this base as the source for all the fields you'll eventually color code, like status, priority, or due dates. Choosing the correct base up front saves time later because your dashboard will pull from it directly. Inside the base, look for interfaces. This is Airtable's visual layer for building dashboards and custom views. Click it to enter the interface designer. This is the area where you'll create the dashboard that will host your charts, record lists and KPIs, and where you'll later turn on conditional color formatting to make key information stand out. Create a new interface. You'll be prompted to give it a name. Pick something descriptive and searchable, such as Ops Dashboard or Campaign Health, so teammates know exactly what they're opening. Next, choose an icon that matches the purpose of your dashboard. The icon is a small touch, but it speeds up navigation when you have multiple interfaces. When you're happy with the name and icon, continue to the next step. Select the dashboard layout. This layout is designed for monitoring metrics and collections of records, which is perfect for applying conditional colors across multiple elements. Dashboards help you compare items side by side and quickly highlight exceptions, which is exactly what color formatting is for. Proceed to the next screen. Choose the table that contains the data you want to visualize. Pick the table with the fields you'll evaluate for color rules, like a status single select, a priority single select, a checkbox, or a date field. Clean, consistent field values make conditional coloring more reliable and easier to interpret. Finish the setup. Airtable will open your new dashboard canvas. From here, you can add elements such as charts, record lists, and metrics, and then apply conditional color formatting within each element's settings. As you customize, keep colors consistent across elements, use accessible contrast, and map colors to meaning that's obvious to your team. Save your changes, preview the dashboard, and you're ready to bring your data to life with clear, color-driven insights.